So why is it that some microphones you talk into the top of it and other ones you talk into the side of it? Let's get you tech equipped. Welcome to Tech Equipped, where we give you tech tips and tutorials and reviews on different products related to videography and photography. In this particular video, we're talking about why is it that sometimes you see someone talking into the top of a microphone like this as opposed to the side of a microphone like this. So these two microphones have a different way of speaking into them and where they get audio from. This is somewhat confusing with a polar pattern. We'll talk about that in our next video. All we're going to talk about right now is whether a microphone is a top address or a side address microphone. So for example, this Ceremonic handheld microphone is a lot like one you would see maybe on a news broadcast where they're interviewing somebody, or maybe on a concert on stage, and they talk into the top of it. Sometimes it's also called an end address microphone, like the end of the microphone. They're talking into the top of it because this considers the front of the microphone to be the top. Like this they think this is the front on a top address. They, like some mystical group. No, it's just like the manufacturers. So the top of the microphone is considered the front of the microphone, which is why a top address microphone, you talk into the top of it, just like this. A side address microphone, like this Fifine USB microphone, the front of this microphone is considered the side of it, not the top, the side. So you would talk into this microphone this way on the side of it because it's a side address microphone, not a top address, a side address microphone. So this is considered the front. So I hope that a quick and easy answer for what's the difference between a top and a side address microphone. One's not better than the other. So if a top address microphone, you talk into the top of it. A side address microphone, you talk into the side of it. I hope that helps. Our Tech Equipped community question for today is, what kind of microphone are you currently using for your voiceovers and that kind of stuff, maybe live streaming? So let us know in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also be sure to click the button right there to subscribe and check out our next video right down there. And hey, check us out on youtube.com/GingerMMT. My wife is a free travel agent. When you book through her services are totally free to you. So be sure to check that out too. We look forward to seeing you soon.